Hey everyone, John Adams with the Adams team powered by Keller Williams here, and this is your June 2022 St. Louis real estate market update. So this month for the update, I wanted to kind of go through some of our some data points over the last 2 months to show kind of how things are trending. Didn't want to go too far back in history because, as everyone knows, these interest rates have been climbing very fast, and it's having a daily impact on what's happening on the market. So I just thought we'd take a look since April 1st to the latest data I have, which is June 17th, and just see kind of where the trends are. In terms of active listings, we've gone from 587 in St. Louis County on April 1st up to 921. Part of that is the annual seasonal rise that we see. When I looked back at 2021 to see the difference, the numbers currently as of June, same time in June, were pretty similar. The biggest difference was in April. Last year we had over 700. So that bottom level lowest inventory that we had earlier this year was substantially below last year. But that inventory is ticking up. That's the bottom line there. Pending listings ticking up a little bit, though not as fast as the inventory. April 1st was 1301 and June 17th 1574. So more going pending, but not as quickly as the inventory is rising, which is good. It means the inventory should continue to rise a little bit, which we've desperately needed in this market. Number of price reductions. That is one that I follow closely and look at each week. As of April 1st, we had 59 price reductions over the previous week. That's pretty low historically. Now, as of June 17th, the number of price reductions over the past week was 115. That has steadily ticked up since the beginning of April. And that's something my buyers are starting to notice. They've actually been, before I even volunteer that information, they've been asking me, saying, hey, we've noticed a lot more listings lately. We've also noticed a lot of price reductions. I said, that's great. That means it's a better time for you to buy. You're going to be able to make a more reasonable offer than we could have 3 months ago. And you're going to have more homes to look at. So better for buyers. Homes are still moving for sellers, though. And an interesting and good point for sellers here, closed sales price. In St. Louis County, as of April 1st, average was $364,000. As of June 17th, $377,000, with a steady weekly climb in between. Average sale to list price ratio, 101% as of April 1st, 103% as of June 17th. This is probably being driven by the homes that are really put together nicely, cleaned up. They're being prepped, staged, photos, carpet. That stuff still matters in today's market. You can see that this number is likely driven by those homes that hit the market and get multiple offers in the first week. And in order to get an average of 103% over, those homes are going much higher than that. Our most recent listing actually sold for 109% over the list price. Bottom line here is the market is balancing a little bit compared to where it was 3 or 4 months ago. We are seeing more homes on the market. We're seeing more price reductions, but homes that are prepped well are still selling for above their list price. Homes that are not prepped well, so sellers out there, if you're not prepping your home as well as you should, you're the ones that are seeing that kind of pressure to reduce your price. Anyway, that is your June 2022 real estate market update. I'm John Adams with the Adams team. Give me a call if you have any questions about what it looks like or what this means for you in your neighborhood, or if you're thinking about selling or buying in the future, give me a call and we can talk. Thank you.